So here we have my Google Drive. So up here we have files that I've recently accessed. Down here we have all of my folders, including my EDCI 270 folder, which if we just open up really quick, we have my EDCI 270 Google Doc that I created, and that's just discussing my theme and why I chose it and things like that I shared with a friend to have them just look over and tinker with a little bit. Next to it I have my elementary journaling Google Doc that again kind of discusses the same thing, my theme, why I chose it, that type of thing. Then going back to the drive, if you want to create a new folder or document or slide, anything like that, you click this new plus button. And so here we have the folder. Down here we have the Google Docs, which are the two that I definitely use the most often. So let's say I want to make a new folder for my EDCI 205 class. So to do that, you just type in the name, click create, easy as that, just pops up right there. So next, let's say that I want to create a new Google Doc. Let's just say Jillian's EDCI 205. And the nice thing about that is if we just go back to 205, oops, sorry, I need to move it, don't I? If we try and move it, we just drag it right there, and then we can open up the folder. And there it is, simple as that. So to go back to that document, to share it with somebody, all you do is you go to this blue button right here, click share, and then for me, I have a friend in this class as well that I usually go ahead and share my documents with. So there she is. Right there, just click the name, press send, easy as that, you can share it with her. So Google Docs is definitely one of my favorite things to use. It's so easy to be able to use tools like this and to get peer reviews just with the click of a button. Thanks for listening.